Hi everyone, there are so many places to explore around Tirupati and Tirumala. So once you visit Tirupati, after darshan or before darshan, you can travel to all these places. If you take train to Tirupati, once it gets to Renegunta station, it becomes little slow and it takes little time to get till Tirupati railway station. So what can you do is you can get down at Renegunta and then take auto to Tirumala. So it costs around 1200 to 1500 per auto, or you can quickly book a Uber from Renegunta railway station. Or if you are getting down at Tirupati airport, so Tirupati airport is basically located in Renegunta. Okay, so from there also you can directly take a cab or book an auto. If you couldn't book your accommodation in Tirupati, there are few hotels that are offering hourly basis accommodation, so they cost you per hour. So you can directly come over there, fresh up, and then you can directly go to Tirumala. And there are also free buses that take you to Tirumala. So there are all over buses with red color, so you can board at Tirupati. At Alipuri there is a security checkpoint, so everyone in the vehicle have to get down and they have to scan their bags out. They will also check your vehicles, and after this security check you can directly travel Tirumala. On the way to Tirumala, there are most beautiful places and beautiful sceneries you can see, and there are points where you can stop and have some time, take deep breath, and get started to your darshan as well. This is one such point where we stopped over there for some time. There are full clouds over the sky and the total greenery, and the view is really awesome. All along the road you can see various animals and Govindanamalu written all along the road. If you are coming on a two-wheeler, make sure that you and the back rider also wears a helmet. If not, they will not allow further at the checkpoint itself. Traveling to Tirumala is the most beautiful journey that you can witness, the most beautiful views you can see. Make sure that before going to Tirupati Darshan, visit Varaha Swami temple that is beside Tirumala Balaji temple, and then start for the darshan, because it is strongly believed that if you visit Varaha Swami temple and then go to Balaji temple, then all your wishes will definitely come true. In Tirumala, there are various packages offered by the drivers to visit the respective surrounding places. So, few places are not included in their package. One such place is Japali. So, Japali is the place where Lord Hanuman himself appeared, and people strongly believe that it is his birthplace, and there are many stories circulating in the town. It is also believed that after Ravana Samhara, Rama and Sita came to this place and visited Japali, and so there are two gundas, like two lake points at this place, one known as Ramagunda and another known as Sita Gunda. So they believe that both of them, Rama and Sita, at this point. There is Mahaharati performed on every Tuesdays at 7 a.m. Those who are having many fears within them, so there are Hanuman threads available inside the mandir. So if you pay 10 rupees to Pujari, he will offer that thread to you. All along Japali, you will find so many stones lying on one above the other. People who come to visit this place build them because they believe that if they place those stones like that, they will be able to construct their own house soon. So you can see lot of them in the surrounding areas. After Japali, you can directly go to Papavinashanam, so you can see Paladhara and Panchadhara falling from the hill. People strongly believe that if they take bath at its place, all their sins will wash off. After this place, you can directly visit Akasa Ganga. So it is a waterfall located very near to Papa Vinashanam, and from here you can also visit Venugopala Swami temple. So it is a temple of Lord Krishna. So it is very near to this place. All these places you can cover within 30 minutes of time. So Akasa Ganga and Papa Vinashanam, it's free, entry is free, but for Venugopala Swami temple darshan you have to take the ticket at the entrance. After darshan, don't forget to try yummy badam malai milk at the entrance. You can take auto or cab to all these places. All these directions will be mentioned when you are entering directly Tirumala. So you can ask securities about all these places and you can go and visit. And don't miss this place because these are very beautiful and powerful places. And Japali, I'm mentioning you again, it is a must visit place, and all over the trek throughout the journey. You can see beautiful trees and animals, squirrels, big squirrels, and they can play with you. They offer the food that you provide to them. So be cautious what you offer to the animals, because many areas offering food to animals are strictly prohibited. So be careful with them, and follow rules and regulations of forest department. Be very careful and cautious when it is raining, because the roads can skid. So when you are coming on two-wheeler, you have to be really careful. There are many food stalls available on Tirumala, and all of them are vegetarian. So you can find very tasty tiffins like idli sambar at the entrance of Tirumala. So you can try them. You can first finish your breakfast and then you can start to these places. So this is one such day that we followed all these to show you guys. So go through all this video, and if you have any doubts, do mention in the comment section. We'll be reaching out to each and every comment, and we will acknowledge the comment as well. After completing all this trip, don't forget to visit Kalahasti, Kanipakam, which are the temples that are near to Tirumala. You must also plan to visit Alivelu Mangapuram and Srinivasa Mangapuram. These two temples are very famous, and I will be making a separate video for that. Not only this, there are so many temples and waterfalls that are very popular in Tirupati. Most places that we covered are available in the form of shorts in our YouTube channel. So you can check out the playlist Tirupati from the same. Hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to Pritya's World.